Like the difference of two squares, a perfect trinomial square is formed by two squares. But unlike the difference of two squares, it is a trinomial and not a binomial. And how do you recognize a trinomial that is a perfect square? In a perfect trinomial square, the last term must be positive. The first and third term, the corners, must be squares. The middle term is twice the product of the square roots of the first and last terms. For example, x squared plus 2x plus 1 is a perfect trinomial square because the last term is positive. The first and last terms are square. X times x is x squared, and 1 times 1 is 1. And the middle term, 2x, is twice the product of the square root of the first term, which is x, and the last term, which is 1. Another example. 4x squared plus 12x plus 9 is a perfect trinomial square because the last term is positive. The first and last terms are squares. 2x times 2x is 4x squared, and 3 times 3 is 9. And the middle term is 12x, which is twice the product of the square root of the first term, which is 2x, and the square root of the last term, which is 3. Another example. 25y squared minus 45y minus 36 is not a perfect trinomial square because the last term is negative. Another example. 16a squared plus 38 plus 9 is not a perfect trinomial square because the middle term is not twice the product of the square roots of the first and last terms. Now, to factor a perfect trinomial square, set up two binomials in parentheses. If the middle term is addition, both binomials are additions. If the middle term is subtraction, both binomials are subtraction. Find the square root of the first term and third term. Place the square roots of the first square to start each parenthesis, and the square root of the second square to end each parenthesis. Because the middle term is addition, the first example shown before, x squared plus 2x plus 1, is factored as x plus 1, x plus 1. Because both binomials are identical, square them to x plus 1 squared. The second example shown before, 4x squared plus 12x plus 9, can be factored as 2x plus 3 times 2x plus 3, or 2x plus 3 squared, because the square root of 4x squared is 2x, and the square root of 9 is 3. Check the middle term to confirm the answer. Another example. Factor 25x squared minus 60xy plus 36y squared. First term, last term, middle term, 2 times 5x times 6y equals 60xy. Because the middle term of the original trinomial is subtraction, both binomials would be subtraction. Answer: 5x minus 6y times 5x minus 6y, or 5x minus 6y squared.